This is the very brief demonstration kind of performance. Normally one raga, one song is for half an hour, 1 hour or more than 1 hour. But I do as a demonstration here for the tourists. I learned this music in my family, which is in this music from many generations. And I am also the clinical music therapist. So I use both experience in my music, compose music for healing, meditation. The instrument which I am playing named Santoor. Santoor means 100 strings. Now I am going to play one more piece for you. And you sit down and close your eyes, and then you have to feel this melody. Rubbing your hand like that. When your palms are little warm, put on your eyes for a while, and massage on all your face and close your eyes. Close your eyes, take a long breath. Inhale and exhale very deeply and feel this melody. Close your eyes. Thank you. Very brief demonstration. Actually, this kind of music is based on the theory of energy. Our body is made out of energy. 9 system makes the body: metabolic system, endo system, neuro system. All these systems are made out of organ and tissues. They made out of cells, cells with atoms, atom with subatom, subatom with energy. It means our body is energy, and we have many energy sports in our body. 7 sports are very powerful, which we call chakra. If there is a vibration of the chakra, the flow of the energy starts from root chakra to the crown chakra. If flow of the energy is proper in your body, you can keep healthy yourself. There are more than 11 techniques how to enlighten the chakras. One of them is a music.
Shell powder of the opium of the poppy, the shells and powder.
The
he
shell?
makes. He puts in water and he mixes water in the shell powder, and the extract which comes out.
Uh-huh.
That he is now filtering it. He takes it through, so it gets filtered, and then they drink it.
Uh-huh. Okay. So, and is this say for special occasions, or is it a daily?
It's also daily and special occasions. Yes, it's done in a bigger way, but this is more like a daily thing.
Uh-huh. Okay. So the way people have coffee or tea, something like that.
Yeah,
So, okay.
not all of them, just few people.
Few.
It's addictive.
Yeah. Okay.
क्या अमल तुझे चाय कॉफी पिए मिलेंगे चाय पिए कि पियो अमल
He's very much regular with the opium.
Uh-huh. Very regular.
Yeah, yeah. So he's addicted. So,
one pound
so and no,
I'll try some.
okay. Okay. Yeah, you can try that.
How does it work?
Just
Right hand?
Yeah. Yeah. Anyway, just make like this so they can more.
A cup.
Yeah.
you can slurp it, yeah.
Yeah.
Huh? What's it taste like?
Mild.
Bitter or?
Water.
I'll try a little bit.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Tastes like a tea. Yeah.
That's right.
Okay.
It's filming.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can I drink that?
Yeah. 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 Mm.
Okay. Thank you.
So it's a new experience. And what is? Can you ask him what the effect is?
ओपियम को कहीं अमल को कहीं नशा हुआ है feel energetic
Feel energetic, very strong. Oh, you like this? Yeah. Okay.
otherwise it's they get tired and just when they're addicted they need it to be
Okay. When addicted, they need to keep
Yeah,
going.
yeah,
Otherwise,
yeah.
you get very tired.
Yeah.
Okay. So.
Otherwise, because of the nerve system was like a
Oh, the
very
nervous-
loose, you can say.
Okay.
और ये लावन चम बटों
And for how long is he?
और
been-
लेवन कब देख तुम
Then he got strong because once it's done, then he's ready for any work.
Okay.
ओके
And how long has he been taking it?
कितना सालों में
How many years?
8 साल
Kidney stone?
8 years.
8 years. Okay, so recent.
Yeah,
So,
yeah,
yeah.
he's
50 का मंदार फिर आली पावर ट्रॉम्बट
So he says he drinks alcohol for last 50 years,
Uh-huh.
but opium from last 8 years.
Okay.
But that's the best part. He's saying that only every day he's just taking only just 1/4. I mean, 250 ml
Okay.
milliliter every day, not more than that.
बड़ा था आटा में दे लो
But from last 50 years.
Okay.
दादा जन मैं 15 पर
The last 50 years
Yeah.
for
The alcohol.
of alcohol.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Every day he's taking
Okay.
from last 50 years.
Okay. So
डॉक्टर साहब दे लो कि 15
हाँ 15 आटा में दे लो या डेढ़ मिनट
अब कितने साल का होगा आप?
आटा में माल गया मने याद है
फिर मार वाला तो
उठिल बदल याद
मार में करो लिखने पे मत आटरी गाड़ी हाँ
सब उठिल माल गाड़ी
उठिल गया अटे हाथ दिन लगा वो
दिया
मार पिटे जा लागू बच रहा एक लागू जा एक बाट को जा एक लाया ओली नहीं एक लाया रंपरिया एक मदन बार मार जा एक बिना और रंबा हाथ नहीं हाथ ने 2 दिन गांव बदलिया उस पूरे गांव उन टाइम लगे नहीं साहब कंट्रोल हो साहब मार गया तो है
उठे दिया बदल
उठे कई रोज आग मार मार
अब कितना साल का होगा आपका?
इतना 3-4
He is 73, 74 years old.
uh-huh. Okay.
2 पर कम मशीन
80 में 2 का
Oh,
कैलकुलेशन चलता है
Okay, he's confused. He's just 2 years less than 80 years. So he's 78 years.
क्या क्या साल का जन्म है
मार छिना पेंशन हम बार में ना हो
छिन्नो 12 महीना रहा हाँ छिन्नो 12 महीना रहा जो है
And-
थर्सा साइन थर्सा में 1 साल छोटा थे
हाँ
पापा
हाँ पापा
30
पापा ने
30
पपरी पपरी पापा
30
हाँ
1930
बबजी बबजी ने होय ना
He's born in 1938.
Okay. And is opium grown around here? Is it-
No,
no. Is
no.
Where does it come from?
That's getting from place area called Mewar.
Mewar.
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
that
Okay.
particular side, like Chittorgarh, Udaipur.
Uh-huh. Okay.
That
Like
area
down there.
there. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. But he didn't have some yet.
वाह तुम सब
Yeah, so now he'll.
क्या है मतलब
If you notice the
खाना
style,
बनाओगे रोटी
how they
बनाओगे
make it
दी।
bigger,
Yeah.
so you can
बना
have
दी,
more.
निबड़ गया
Uh-huh. Okay.
खाना तो निबड़ गया खत्म
ले आओ ओ मतलब
तो बनाओ यार
And yeah, what sort of effect it makes you
Yo,
stronger?
yeah,
Is it-
नहीं बनाओ देख सब बनाओ
It's now they used to it because that's why, because if they don't have it,
बना
then
तो
they
चालू
feel
है
weak.
चालू है
Yeah,
देखो है
That's it.
यो तो
Yeah, okay, so
यो
they're
कहे
addicted to
बंदा
it.
बना
Yeah.
तो है चालू है तो
But this kind of system, देखो ले लिया ले लिया.
मन है मन दे रे वे कौन रावण मन वाह बड़े ढुले नहीं
Why does he touch it first?
He touches and this they offer first to the god.
Okay, so that's
And that's why they were like bum bum bole like or.
okay. So they give a little to the god, and
Yeah,
then they
and
can
then
take.
and then they take it like a blessings.
Okay. Uh-huh.
So it's
So
like a
any
prasad.
particular,
It's like a
is it
prasad.
like prasad from the god? Any particular god?
Shiva.
Shiva?
हाँ शिवा ही
बम बम बोले क्या सृजन है ये नाजिन कौन लगा हुआ है
हाँ अम्मा यूं करो यूं आखिर
तो सृजन लगा
साधन
सृजन है या शिवा
शिवा करो
Okay, शिवा हाँ बम बम बोले देर साथ से
बम बम।
शंकर महादेव बड़े कर मत कर शंकर
the Shankar Shiva.
Okay. Good. That's very interesting. And so he can run more water through, more water becomes more.
पांच
heavy.
आदमी बैठा था हमने आप कहते 5 आदमी बैठा नहीं पहले शंकर ने चढ़ा ब्राह्मण ने जोरदार वे पहले बैठा पैसे आना वकील में जाता कागज बना छप्पन जाता कहता ये 5 आदमी कहता आज पैसे ठग साहब दूसरी जाता आज इसमें नहीं दूसरी जाता वहाँ नहीं
टाइम कैसे
पैसे वकील जाता है कागज ले छप्पन पहले घोड़ा मत वो महादेव कहता होगा आज पैसे ना उड़ गई और ही देती या 2 दिन का तो मारी रहा है वही फेंकी मारी देती कि उन्हें कहती रोज न रोज रावण के सब मैं और गरुड़ा और उसमें गरुड़ा हूँ विभिन्न के पहुँच बैठा कि आज फलाने से मारी फेंक इनो कानून बता वे कहो सामान पहुँचन लाऊला वे कहता ओ तो आलू वे तो महादेव जी बोले मार कर भाई वो तो समझ रहा जको बात है ऐसा और बात है कोई महादेव
He is sharing his experience, like olden times, when talking about the god Shiva, and that time they used to have the interesting story, like if they had the people going to the court and for the judgment or all these things. So there's 5 people they used to have this opium ceremony. Every time they say, okay, today they're going to have this kind of judgment that place, this kind of the judgment that place. So and they happen every day is the same thing. Then people are why they're saying this and it's true always. Then he says that because of Lord Shiva only that happened, not because of this opium. With the offering, and then that's how when after opium, because taking as a prasad, and they say this thing happened like this way. So it comes through the Shiva, not because the human
power
being.
is through Shiva.
Yeah.
This is just the vehicle.
Yeah, it's a vehicle.
So this is the means by which the power comes from Shiva.
Yeah.
So, okay.
Yeah, so it's a. So
like
that's why
prasad.
it's prasad. So that's why they put that to the Shiva.
Okay, that's the
That's
reason for the
okay,
blessing.
yeah.
Okay. So,
हाँ तो ठीक है
Dhanyavad, thank you. Thank you.
But he's 78 years old. Yeah.
So, yeah.
So that's how he can share. He's just talking to him about his father and all
Oh,
these things.
okay. So he remembers his father?
Yeah.
Okay. So,
My grandfather is talking.
Oh, his
grandfather.
grandfather. Yeah.
Oh,
Because
okay.
he was
a
15
small
years.
boy.
He was 15 years old that time.
Okay. So when your grandfather was here, is that right?
Yeah, when my grandfather died, he remembers that.
Okay. So many years ago.
Yeah.
No, that was 1950.
So almost like 55 years back or 50
yeah.
years back.
Okay.
So
Wow.
he's just telling things to him. Yeah.
So, and so is this a cultural tradition? Is it accepted in the area? Is it
Yeah,
something?
it-
Yeah, it's a regular tradition.
Yeah.
So and what about the state? Do they concerned with it
The
or?
state is concerned. By law, it's not allowed,
Okay.
but it happens. It's socially accepted.
Yeah.
It's cultural tradition.
So like many things, the state may not allow it, but it's a deep part of culture.
Yeah.
So okay.